I'm gonna show you how to fix all the lag and improve your gaming experience. Simple and easy step on your mobile phone. First, you see the top right corner menu button. Click the menu button and go to setting. Click the setting button and here all the setting is here. Following all the step. First, the graphic quality. I recommend always choose the low and resolutions. If your mobile phone is a very good, then you choose the medium. If your mobile phone is not a good, then always I recommend to you low quality. Frame rate. You can use the frame rate is 45 and 60 fps, but I recommend always use 30 fps. It make a smoother. Shadow quality. You can use the shadow quality in a medium. I recommend to you always use the shadow quality in medium. After that, close this window and play the game. Now you can see the game is very smoother. I hope you will enjoy that. Following this step, you can improve your gaming experience. This is a very easy and simple step you can use and make your game smoother on your mobile phone.